How are you?
Okay.
You ready to go here? Got a left knee?
Yes.
All right. Do you have any questions?
No.
No? Yeah, so the plan will be to go back to the operating room, make a small incision over the front of that knee, and go in and just remove the worn ends of the bone. Only about that much is removed, and then we go back with metal and plastic caps or new surfaces for the bone. That's a standard knee replacement. Takes about an hour to do, and she'll be able to get home today and start her therapy soon, and hopefully a month from now we'll be doing very well. All right, we'll see you in just a minute. Thank you.
I said I would never get a knee replacement. I was terrified for something like this. I never thought doctors always said I definitely need one. So, and I couldn't take the pain, so it's like this is my last chance.
She did great. Everything went super. She'll be in recovery here in a few minutes.
Right.
But she had severe arthritis along that inside edge of that knee, and we fixed that by putting new surfaces in the knee.
Good.
And she did great. Can you move your toes? Okay. All right.
Have we tried getting her
Can you tell it's helped you at all?
Yeah.
You feel better?
Yeah.
Well, that's good news.
It doesn't hurt back there. Thank God, because that's what I was.
Can you bend it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, good job. Awesome. Can you straighten it out?
That's why I'm having problems.
Out flat?
Oh, yeah.
I think Linda's doing pretty well. She's got her knee moving and her incision looked good. Not a lot of swelling, pretty standard amount of swelling for this point. She's keeping her pain under pretty good control. So now we're gonna work a little harder on getting that knee all the way straight. She's doing really good on bending it. That's the only thing I see you need to work on. I give you an A+ on the bend, A- on the straightening. You're doing all right. It's very important to get that knee out straight. And so with their first appointment, I like the knee all the way straight and the knee bending to at least 90 degrees. That's sort of our goal. And she's pretty close. I think she'll be okay.
Got a great report. Feel like this is the right choice for you to get a knee replacement done?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
I would recommend it to anybody. I was nervous. I didn't expect all the good news. So, yeah, I was happy.
Good.